The world is changing. In many developed countries, a new trend is emerging: declining fertility rates. This means fewer babies are being born. This trend has far-reaching consequences. The global impact is significant. A shrinking population can lead to economic challenges. Social structures may also be affected. Countries are grappling with how to address this issue. The future remains uncertain. A shrinking workforce has serious economic implications. With fewer people working, tax revenues decline. This puts a strain on government budgets. As the number of active workers decreases, the economic burden on those remaining increases. This can lead to higher taxes and reduced public services. Governments may struggle to fund essential services like healthcare, education, and infrastructure. Social security systems are also affected. These systems rely on a large pool of contributors. As the workforce shrinks, there are fewer people to support retirees. This imbalance can lead to financial instability. The strain on social safety nets becomes more pronounced. With fewer workers contributing, the sustainability of pension systems is at risk. This financial instability can affect markets and investor confidence, leading to broader economic challenges. Governments must find ways to address this growing concern. Solutions may include policy reforms, encouraging higher birth rates, or even rethinking retirement ages. South Korea offers a compelling case study. The country has one of the lowest fertility rates globally. In response, the government implemented various incentives. These included financial assistance and housing subsidies. Despite these efforts, the birth rate remained stubbornly low. This highlights the complexity of the issue. Financial incentives alone are often insufficient. Deeper societal and cultural factors are at play. Unraveling the causes societal shifts and the price of parenthood. Several factors contribute to declining fertility rates. These factors are complex and multifaceted, reflecting broader societal changes that have been unfolding over the past few decades. One significant factor is the changing role of women. As more women enter the workforce and take on leadership roles, their priorities and life choices evolve. More women are pursuing higher education and careers. This pursuit often leads to a delay in starting families as educational and professional goals take precedence. This often delays marriage and childbearing. Couples are choosing to marry later in life, which naturally pushes back the timeline for having children. Another factor is the rising cost of living. The financial burden of raising a family has increased significantly, making it a daunting prospect for many. Housing, education, and childcare expenses are significant. These costs can be overwhelming, especially for young families trying to establish themselves. Many couples find it financially challenging to raise children. The economic pressures can lead to difficult decisions about family planning and size. This economic reality plays a crucial role. Understanding these factors is essential for addressing the broader implications of declining fertility rates on society. Charting a course potential solutions and the need for holistic approaches. Addressing this complex issue requires multifaceted solutions. It's not just about one single change, but a series of coordinated efforts that can collectively make a significant impact. One approach is to raise the retirement age. This can help to keep experienced individuals in the workforce longer, allowing them to continue contributing their skills and knowledge. This keeps people in the workforce longer, boosting tax revenue. It also helps to alleviate some of the financial pressures on pension systems. Another is to provide more affordable childcare options. By reducing the cost of childcare, parents, especially mothers, can return to work sooner and more easily. Making childcare more accessible can encourage couples to have children. This can help to address declining birth rates in many countries. Additionally, governments could consider expanding parental leave policies. Longer and more flexible parental leave can support families during the critical early years of a child's life. Ultimately, a combination of approaches is likely needed. No single solution will be sufficient on its own. These solutions must be tailored to each country's unique circumstances. What works in one place may not be effective in another, so it's crucial to consider local contexts and needs.